Feeling stuck how to learn Python? Perhaps you watched a few tutorials, memorized some syntax. Still, you cannot build a program from start to finish. Well, in this course that changes, we build real programs that solve real problems. The course is mega rich with applications. We'll start with the basics of Python and then we'll move on to learning how to use Python to automate tasks such as sending emails, accessing APIs. You will build APIs with Python, scrape data from websites, and even building AI agents with Python and the new LangChain library. We will build an agent that manages tasks by connecting to your favorite task manager app, add tasks for you, show tasks, etc. You will learn how to turn the agents into web apps so users can interact with them in a beautiful web interface. So you'll learn how to use cutting-edge libraries and build modern apps, no toy programs. So by the end of the course, you'll have built 20 real-world applications. You can use all of them if you want to build your own programming portfolio. The course has enrolled over 300,000 students and many of them have found a job or built their own applications with Python. Here are some testimonials.
Hi, my name is Ray. I have been learning a lot from Python Mega course.
Learning the Python Mega course. Well, I truly believe that it's a really good and valuable course in Udemy.
The course assumes you have zero knowledge of Python, you have zero programming experience. And what distinguishes this course from other courses is that I don't teach only syntax, but I show you the elements of the language by building real programs. So you understand every concept in the context of a real-world application. That makes a big difference in understanding how things work in programming. Moreover, in this course you'll get some bonus knowledge such as how to use Git and GitHub, how to fix programming issues, how to deploy apps in a real server. These are programming skills that every professional should know. So I am Ardit, I'll be your instructor in the course. Me and my teaching assistant will help you in the Q&A in the course if you ever have issues. And if you don't like the course, I don't think that will happen, but if it happens, you're covered by the Udemy 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. So if you're ready to finally understand Python and know how to build Python applications from scratch to finish, enroll now and let's get started. Hi and welcome to the Python Mega course. My name is Ardit and I'm really excited to guide you through this journey. If you have tried to learn Python before and felt like it didn't stick, you're not alone. This course is different. Here you'll actually use Python from day one by building 20 real-world apps that solve real problems, including AI-powered assistants using Python and LangChain. Everything is built in Python. You don't need any prior experience. We'll start from the very beginning and I'll walk you through every step of the way. We will start with Python basics and you'll learn these as we build app 1, which is a task manager. So you'll learn everything, every Python fundamental element in the context of this real-world app. So you will not simply learn the syntax, but also understand why we use this code, that, when to use a variable, why we use a list, when to use a string. And then after we have completed app 1, we'll move forward to build projects in automation, web development, APIs, data science, desktop graphical user interfaces, web scraping, and AI. Whether you're learning Python for work or school or just out of curiosity, you're going to walk away with real skills and real confidence after finishing this course, I'm sure. So let's dive in and start writing some programs together with Python. See you.